So it's a Saturday today. We normally don't film on Saturdays, but we're gonna try to have a little bit of family fun. Audrey had a little issue in the car. What happened, Odds?
My drink spilled and it went all over my bum.
Her drink spilled and it went all over her bum, so now she's got to wear a little jacket.
We're a baby today, guys.
Yep.
At the mountains this time.
We're in the mountains this time. What are we gonna do? Gonna see some giant fish.
Feed them?
We're gonna hike, do a little hike.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can really call it a hike. It's on a paved path.
Can I hold it?
You can hold it in a little bit.
Okay.
It's on a paved path. We're gonna go to a waterfall. So we're at a place in the mountains in Utah called Provo Canyon. We're going up to Bridal Veil Falls. They've got some giant fish in a pond that
Girls, come over here.
probably would taste nasty because they get fed nasty fish food the whole time. So
Girls.
let's go.
What just jumped off my hand?
Yeah? Don't get too close to the water, Odds, okay? Hold on, they're taking a picture. Hey, Kaylee. There's the Provo River. Be careful, it's ice cold. Kaylee, you want to see the water? You want to come see? Okay, let's be careful. Oh.
In the whole entire sea.
Stand up, stand up. There it is. One of the great things about living where we are, we've got some pretty views, huh? We gotta go hike up to the fish to feed them. They're not in here. Well, there are fish in here. But let's go on our hike. Let's find the place where the fish are. So here we are. It's the beginning of our hike, but like I said, it's more like a walk. If you look behind me, you can see it's mostly just a paved trail. That's okay. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun. What are we gonna do, Kaylee? We're gonna feed the fishies? Kaylee, you should be walking yourself. You're a big girl.
No, I'm the peanut.
Why don't you walk?
I like her shoes are too small.
You can have a turn when we get up to the waterfall. Do you see water down there?
I just feel like going.
Okay, you guys ready to keep going?
Yay!
All right, let's go. So I'm looking at all the people that are coming down the trail and they've got strollers. And I remember last time we came, I think we had the jogging stroller, right? And that little thing up there, Kaylee, didn't even exist yet. I don't know if Megan was pregnant with her or not yet. Yeah? Okay. So this is the first time that Kaylee's been up here. She does need new shoes. Now we can see the waterfall falling into the river again.
Let you to me. You said we could run.
At the pond. I'll let you hold it at the pond. Is the water cold?
Yeah, can I do?
Sure. Just don't get wet. Don't fall in. Is it cold?
Not that good.
Not that cold? There's more of the waterfall up there. Do you see it?
I saw it.
There it is. think we made it, girls. There we go. Now we got a really good view of the waterfall.
Daddy!
Yeah, you can do a little bit. Here, let me take a picture real quick. Come over to this side.
Guys, look at the waterfall.
Audrey, bring it to see the fish. They took all the fish out. They used to be over here and they used to be huge.
Haley!
So this pond right here used to be full of big old fat fish. They were probably 20 inches long and 5 or 6 pounds. Apparently they've taken them all out, which is okay because they were probably pretty disgusting. Quinn, you be careful, okay? But if you look over here, we still have our sign that says we can buy fish food for $1. And there's still fish food, but there's no fish. Get a closer look at the water. We've got nothing.
Daddy, step in the water.
You want to do what now?
Step in the water.
Take your shoes off.
And
Take your shoes and socks off, Quinn, and pull up your pants a little bit, your pant legs. Don't go too far, Odds. You'll get cold and wet. You gonna try it now?
I wonder if it just got too big.
Okay, don't go any deeper than that, Quinn. Your pants are gonna get wet.
Look what Quinny got. She got some.
Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Come on, let's take a picture.
Hi, everybody.
Kaylee, come here. Quinny says it's really cold. What do you think, Kaylee? Is it cold? Burn!
Daddy, I dare you to go in the water.
I'm not going in. It's too cold for me. Is that cold, Quinn?
It wasn't funny. It was under my feet.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to go.
You don't have to go back in. Okay, be careful, Quinn. How you doing, Mama? Is Kaylee playing?
Yeah.
Hey, girls.
What?
Do you want to go find a place to have our picnic? Let's go find a place to have a picnic. Are you riding with Daddy now? Can you say hi to the camera? She's riding on the cooler that's strapped around Daddy's neck.
Go that way.
Audrey, does this look like a good spot for a picnic? It's too hot in the sun, crazy girl. Kaylee, is this a good spot for a picnic? What do you think, Mama?
Oh, I think it's a great spot.
Do you think it's a good spot, Quinn?
No.
Quinn just fell down and scraped her hand, so it kind of hurts. Do your hands hurt?
Yeah.
Can you show the camera? Oh, I'm sorry, kiddo.
That's why I wanted to work on the grass.
Okay, you can go back on the grass if you want. Kaylee, what do you got? You got cheese? So we've had a lot of fun up here, but the only problem is that Kaylee was throwing a fit when we had to leave the water because she loved playing in it. Now Quinn's throwing a fit because she hurt her hands and wants some water. But thankfully, the car is right there, and we are just behind me, if you can see. And there's a squirrel. There goes. There goes the squirrel. So I decided to be a nice dad and walk back to the car and get her some water so she can wash her hands. Such is the life with children. All right, there's some water. Are you happy now?
No, I made water for my hand.
Okay, well we can rinse your hands with it. Now rinse them off, kind of rub them together a little bit.
Rub them together.
Cheat nods.
Smoky, yeah, smoky cheese. Smoky cheese.
You're silly.
So guys, we're out. Hi, Kiwi. Hi. It's Cookie. What?
Okay. Do you guys want to go see the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
But,
Okay, I'm going to carry that because the last thing I want is for that to be in the river.
this? You mean this to be in the level?
Yeah.
I don't want it to be in the level.
Here, let's go see the bridge. I know, that's why I'm going to carry it. Where are we going, Odds?
It's under the bridge.
Under the bridge? We're going to look at the river from the bridge?
Yeah, but not throwing the phone.
Let's read the rules on the sign. It says, don't throw little girls in the river. Okay, we won't.
No, that doesn't say it.
Oh, so I can throw you guys in the river?
No, that's not what the sign says.
Oh, okay, well let's go look.
I feel like
Look guys, you're standing right over the river. There it goes. What do you think? Think there's fish in there?
I think it's colder than ever.
I think it's definitely cold. I'm not gonna drop it. I'm not gonna drop it. Calm down. Okay, let's go back to find Mom. Hey, Kaylee. There's nothing. Okay, let's go all the way across. Careful, Kaylee. Okay, come on. Don't pick the leaves. Okay, you made it all the way across. Now let's go back.
Okay, Daddy.
And it looks like that says, no dangers. I think that means dangers, no trespassing.
See how fast I can go.
You're gonna see how fast you can go?
Yeah.
Go.
I think we might need to do that like this Monday. 'Cause I know the $5 Mondays only last for like a certain amount of time.
Take him to the pool.
No, the aviary.
Oh, the aviary.
To see the birdies.
Taking the boat. See the birdies?
The birdies.
Whoa, that was so fast.
Yeah, because that's way more that's fast.
Yeah. Well, that's about all for today's vlog. So what do we say, guys? We say thanks, like, and subscribe, and see you later. See you around.
Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. See you around on the best.
You want to say see you around?
My eye.
Here, look this way. Say see you around.
See you around. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.